Welcome to this video. I'm going to show you one last option or one extra option for posting assignments on your Google site. Maybe you would rather just make weekly agendas and then embed them, and so that's always an option with the magic of your Google Drive. Now, I'm here on my Google Drive. I'm here in a folder, and this folder, if I click on its down arrow, I'm going to show you that the share settings are set up so that anyone with a link can view these items. That is beautiful. If you do that for the folder, then anything you create in the folder inherits those sharing settings. So that way, it can be annoying if you're making things and you forget to share them and then the students can't get to them. But if you just set that for the folder, maybe you'll have like a my website or my assignments folder, and then everything under there will already be shared as long as the folder is shared. Now, why is that important? Because you might make documents in here like a weekly agenda. You can even link things if you want to send them to a different website. You want to link them to a worksheet. You can, this could be a hyperdoc where they link back and forth. You can get as complicated as you need to with your directions. You can even post your outcomes and all this on each day. So here's just an example. It's already shared because it lives in that folder, which is nice. Now, I'm going to close that, but that document already exists. Now I'm going to hop over to my website. On this website, if you don't really love web design and this is not, you don't want to be dealing with this all the time, you could go over here that you want to insert something from your drive. I will go to my recent items because I just had it open. I'm going to insert that weekly agenda. Now, make sure you publish. So if you don't really love dealing with your Google site, this could be something that you just do like once a week. You just post your weekly agenda. I'm going to view it as it would look on the web. The students get to your page and then they will see that weekly agenda right there. They can scroll around if it's really long. They can click the links if you've linked them to other things, and that would be beautiful. Now, once you have an agenda format that you love, what I would say is next week, go back to your shared folder. I would say make a copy of this. I love copy and paste. Don't reinvent the wheel. I'm going to open that copy. Of course, it is a little annoying that you have to make your changes, but I don't know what the next week is. Don't judge me. And then you can go through and just change your dates, change your assignments. That saves for you automatically. Once you're ready for the next week, you could say insert from your drive. Now the annoying thing about Google Sites is it always wants to put the new thing at the bottom, which is frustrating to me. But you can just grab it by these dots over here on the left and drag it up above it. Make sure you publish when you're done. So if you really just want to update your site once a week, there's a great option for you, and you can do all of your items, all of your actual changes in your Google Docs.